There's a new app out there called Vero, and I feel like you should know about it. So Vero is actually Vero. I looked that up. Vero, kind of like Cody Garrow. Vero has been around for a few years, although you wouldn't know it because it's just gotten press in the last few weeks. Okay. People are calling it the next Instagram, and they're calling it that for a few main reasons. Number one, there's no paid advertising on the platform. So all the content on there is formed through people and through companies in a non-paid advertising way. So that's huge. That's kind of what people have been begging for. They hated that Instagram started incorporating that. And another thing that they're hitting Instagram with this is it operates chronologically. You know how Instagram added that algorithm that changed the way we view things. They made it where it shows the things that it thinks that we think are most important, but it really doesn't, because you end up not seeing things that you would have loved to have seen. We all kind of miss that chronological timeline. Well, anyways, Vero is on that timeline, and actually I found this out because they're able to do the chronological thing because they're not doing paid advertising. So I guess it goes hand in hand. Vero also allows you to share different types of content than just photography. You can share music, books, movies. There are some other categories on there that I'm not thinking of, but definitely a broader scape of content that you're able to put on there. So what has caused all the ruckus of this platform recently? For one, it's just been a massive amount of powerful influencers that are on there that have been spreading the word. I know one of the guys that is leading that pack is a famous YouTuber, and so it's just gotten suppressed through that. But the reason that people are hopping on this so quickly is because the first 1 million people that subscribe are in for free for life. Everyone else after that millionth subscriber will have to pay an annual, a very small, it says, annual fee to stay on there. Should businesses right now, in the stage of this app, should businesses be on there? Like, why would we be? Why wouldn't we be? The answer is pretty easy in my opinion. Yes, you should be on there. Why not get an account right now while it's free? See where this thing goes. If it flops, who cares? You didn't waste any money. But if it takes off, then you got one of the free accounts, you know? And it's obviously picking up enough traffic that even if it's short-lived, it could be valuable to you and your company at the moment. So I recommend you, as soon as you finish watching this, head over there, download that app. I really think that's all that I have to say about it. Let me know what you think about it. I personally have been checking it out recently, but can't do anything because the servers are down. They've had so many people join that their servers are crashed. Hoping that gets fixed in the next day or so. But I'll kind of be testing it out, seeing what it's like. I have no idea. All I know is that I'm ready for, I'll be ready in case it turns into something cool. I hope this was helpful. I hope that you learned something, and yeah, let me know if you have any feedback. Thanks. I'll see you next Tuesday.